Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today, this video is all about Jeffree Star's the collaboration with Morphe palette, so stay tuned. Okay, you guys, as you know, I've said this for many years now. We just dive right in. All right, so this here is all about the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette. I've had it for a few months now. I am so glad I got it. I did get some extra for a giveaway, but I went ahead and did my eyes off camera, my whole face basically, but I wanted to talk more about the product. I know oftentimes I'll do a review and I'll put on the shadow and then I'll go and start my day, do what I have to do, and either check back sooner or later with the final look or later on that day. So this is all about Jeffree Star's palette with Morphe, that is. I think I have every one of Jeffree Star's palettes. This one here I was fascinated with simply because I love the collaboration that Morphe does with a lot of the artists, especially the YouTubers. As I said, I did my eyes and my whole face off camera. As I mentioned, I'm probably repeating myself, but I love it. I just wanted to take the time to talk more about the palette and not the application process, my method, and things like that. Because really at the end of the day, I pretty much have the same method with all of my eyeshadows, but it's the product that makes the difference. So, hello, the hair is causing me some issues today. And Quincy, of course, is making a lot of noise as soon as I start recording. He loves to do that. So, you guys, I'm just going to go over some of the colors that I used today. And I did apply everything with my Morphe brushes. And I'm wearing my new line of eyelashes. This one here is V as in Victor 11. I love these lashes. They are so dramatic. I love them. They are for every day, but also to give that little edge. So I felt that I wanted to definitely wear my lashes on camera, but I wanted to use Jeffree Star's palette. This is a look that I was trying to achieve. You guys can let me know. Our hair is a little different, but I'm hoping I gave her justice. But I think these are she's just beautiful, just gorgeous, and I love her look. So I wanted a more sultry eye, and I went in with Jeffree Star. So my transition shade I used is 1985, okay? And then I went in with Mr. Diva just to go in and add a little bit more of a peachy type orangey color. And then I put on just a little bit of Channel. Channel is just ever so lightly right here. I love it. Literally love it. Oh my God. And then I went in with Dog Mom. So I highlighted here with the Dog Mom. I love it. I really do. And what I did, just a hint of, I went in with What's the Tea, T-E-A. And I put that under my eye because I wanted to see just as close as I could get to what she was wearing. And I think I made it close enough. I really do. I love it. So here you go. This is the look. I am excited about the lashes. The lashes are popping right now. Check it out at Jacqueline's Beauty. They're very reasonably priced. They range from $18. Yeah, it's pretty much a set price because they're all gorgeous 3D mink, fake mink lashes. But I started this line probably 2 or 3 months ago, and I'm just kind of now talking about it more on my channel. So my recommendation with the Jeffree Star Morphe collaboration, this palette is worth it. I give it a 5 star. As you guys know, I give my little star rating. It's magnificent. It is magnificent. Dog Mom, which I put like right here, and it ever so lightly has a shimmer. It's gorgeous. Not a lot of fallout. I didn't have to really go through brushing my eyes and things like that to get it right. It was right. It was just perfect. So I highly recommend this collaborative package. I think there's probably, let me see here. He always has, it's a minimum of 35. I didn't even count. It's ridiculous. But check out Morphe and Jeffree Star. I bought this at the Morphe store when we were down in Miami. I'm not traveling right now for a bit, but I'm so glad I was able to pick it up in time before the pandemic, and I'm able to give a review. So you guys, let me know your thoughts. I'm sure most of his followers have the palette already, and you're probably all the way on to Cremated or the new one. Unbelievable. I'm a bit behind, but I got my palettes, okay? And I am going to be reviewing them. So let me know what you think. Tell me what your thoughts are about my lashes if you like them. And there's plenty of information. This one here, once again, is F as in Frank, V as in Victor 11, and they're $18. So check me out. And the look I was trying to achieve today was to mimic this gorgeous mama right here. I love the eyes. All right, let me know your thoughts. Please click the JB and subscribe to this happy little family. Click the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Check me out and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Check out Jacqueline's Beauty blog, and I know I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.